Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent from Klaiyi hair, just in case any of you guys are interested. Of course, check my description box. There will be links to this wig. This is the wig I was sent. It's kind of like a coppery color wig. It is a curly texture. So this is what it looks like. I did go in and wash the wig, and this is what the curls look like air dried. And I can't remember the length of this wig, but like always, the details to this wig will be listed in my description box. Now I do believe that this is a 13x4 lace front wig. And let me come in close so I can show you guys the construction. They give you two combs in the front. They also give you a comb in the back with a little bit of lace and the adjustable straps. And this is what the lace looks like. And it did come with a pre-plucked hairline. I did go in some more and pluck the hairline. So right now my hair is in a crazy ponytail. And I'm going to use my black stocking cap. So let's try this wig on with the lace still on to, just give you a feel of what it looks like. So this is what the wig looks like on with the lace still on. This is how long the wig is, which I didn't think that I would really like the color that much, but the color is not bad. This is what the hairline is looking like.